In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM for research. By the end, you'll know how to set up a project, bring in your sources, ask precise questions, and use the built-in studio to turn your findings into useful, shareable outputs. First, open NotebookLM in your browser. You'll land on a clean workspace designed for source-grounded research. Think of it as a hub where you load material and then ask questions that are answered using only what you've provided. Next, either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. Give your notebook a clear, specific name so you can quickly recognize it later. If you're juggling multiple projects, it helps to keep one notebook per topic or assignment so your sources and notes don't get mixed up. Now, click Add Sources. This is the foundation of your research flow. You can upload files, paste website links, connect your drive, or drop in copied text. NotebookLM lets you add up to 50 sources to a single notebook, which is more than enough for most research sprints. Try to mix formats, articles, PDFs, white papers, and reputable web pages to get a balanced perspective. As you add material, prioritize reliable, up-to-date sources and remove duplicates to keep things tidy. If a source is long or dense, add the most relevant sections first so your early answers stay focused. With your sources in place, type what you want to ask in research. Specific questions work best. Instead of a broad topic, try a targeted prompt like compare the key findings across the policy reports, or summarize the methodology used in these studies. NotebookLM will cite where each claim comes from, so skim the citations and jump back to the original paragraphs to verify context. If the first answer feels too general, follow up with clarifying prompts, ask for definitions of unfamiliar terms, or request a concise summary at the reading level you need. You can also ask it to list contradictions or gaps across your sources, which is helpful for shaping your next round of research. Finally, use the studio to make the whole process more interactive. The studio can generate structured outputs based on your sources like study guides, FAQs, outlines, or brief scripts. Adjust the tone and audience, refine sections that need more depth, and regenerate parts that feel off. It's a fast way to turn raw findings into polished materials you can review or share while staying grounded in the sources you loaded. That's it. Open NotebookLM, set up your notebook, add strong sources, ask precise questions, and leverage the studio to shape your insights into clear, usable outputs. Happy researching.